Hi everyone, I'm Mark Trostle, Vice President of Design for Ram and Mopar. And I'm here today to talk to you about our concept for this year's Easter Jeep Safari. This is what we call the blueprint. And we call it blueprint because we want to connect with our customers and give them literally a blueprint to customize their Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator. What we've done here is we've taken everything that you see in Mopar Blue, which happens to be an accessory, over 35 Jeep Performance parts and accessories on this vehicle that are colored in blue. And you'll notice that we also have a QR code on there. It's a great way for our customer to be able to walk up to the vehicle, have that emotional connection with the vehicle and say, I need to have this bumper, and they can go right to the Mopar e-site by scanning that QR code, research the part, and really even order it then and there. We've gone so far as to really highlight everything that's available to the customer, down to our beadlock capable wheels on the driver's side, and the passenger side we're actually showing the alternative wheels that are available for our customers. We have on this vehicle our tube doors, and on the passenger side we're actually showing another accessory that comes along with it, which is the overlay netting that goes over top of this. So it really lets the customer see exactly the differences that they can order and purchase for themselves. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, one of my favorite pieces is our tailgate table as well. It's a great accessory, one that really resonates well with our customers. The Wrangler and Gladiator are two of the most accessorized vehicles before they leave the dealership, and it's a great way for us to really connect with them.